What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a little bit different video than usual. So long story short, I'm home and there is freaking snow everywhere, as you can see from my last two short videos that I published. So yeah, today I decided to mount my camera on top of my car and to show you guys how winter in Bosnia looks like. Roads now are fairly clean, but for the last 2 days, yesterday and day before yesterday, it was pure chaos. So the footage that you will see now will be me driving to my home to village. Right now I'm in the city. You cannot see, I basically have this is a flower and a shovel, so I don't go anywhere without a shovel because I'm driving currently my dad's Volkswagen Golf Mark IV, and this car is pretty freaking amazing, even though I broke his oil container yesterday. So yeah, I will put a video of that somewhere around here. So that was a fun thing to do, but now I'll start driving, and if I have to say something, I'll just fire up my phone and talk. So yeah, without me further talking, let's enjoy this freaking road ride. By the way, this lash here, I tied phone on my roof, so I have the suction cup that holds it, but I tied everything together and pull it here. So I guess it will work. So yeah, let's start driving.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me.
So as you can see now, turn off the radio. All radio talks about for the last 2 days is snow, and how these how do I say it? Oh my god, the working community, the guys that clean roads, they failed us really bad, because nobody cleaned the snow for 2 days, and they just waited until snow stopped falling down, and then they cleared the road. But now, as you can see, road is clear and I'm exiting my city. This is the main road towards my village, and I think for now road is a little bit clean, but as soon as we leave the area that's how do I say it, that's closer to the city, I think the road will get worse, because I don't think I know it. Last night me and my uncle went to the village. My mom is up there at our village house, and my dad is here because I have to drive him to the doctor every day. But yeah, now I'm going to see how my mom's doing, and yeah, show you guys beautiful road that is kind of idiotic, and we already have some situations with the ambulance driving and everything. Situation is crazy. So yeah, let's hope for the best. I will see you in a few moments.
I'm so trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah.
I am really hoping that my phone is filming everything right now, because the scenery looks amazing. It looks really beautiful and amazing, and the road is fairly clean, even though it's a little bit tight because it's not cleaned around the edges, but you can see how deep snow is, you know, and everything. So yeah, right here there is trees are pretty broken. So yeah, and like people have respect to each other. We are like stopping and letting other people pass through, you know, and everything. So yeah, I'll be back in a moment if something interesting happens along the road. So yeah, let's drive.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know. Now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you.
I just want to say something about our country, you know, and about situations like this one. This is no, okay. Let me turn off the radio. I don't want to get demonetized every time. Okay, in the situations like this one, when like your city fails you, when your city failed to provide your road, the road is now clear, but if I manage to find a video of road blocked like from like yesterday, I will freaking put it definitely. So okay, you can already see like the road getting more and more like narrower and blocked, you know. Okay, I'll be with you guys in a moment as soon as the situation clears out.
I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you.
Okay, what I was talking about, yeah. In the situations like this one, when your city fails you, you know, when they fail to like make a road clear, the usual laws of driving kind of stop functioning, you know, and people rely on, how do I say it? People rely on other people, you know, on other people's goodwill and respect, you know. I have to stop, you know, I will stop to let people pass through, you know. If there is more car going in my direction, I will stop aside and let them pass through, you know. And same goes for me, you know. People are okay, like this car right now just like, you know, passed me. So people are letting other people, you know, they are giving other people a chance to go through safely, and this is usually how people take care of each other. So yeah, I will be there in a moment.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break
you can see,
Šta mi uradimo?
as we
Umjesto da
go
rešavamo
further and
probleme,
further from the
drugi
town,
kamenje na tog što priča, sram ga
damn it,
biti.
as we go further and further, like the road is messier and messier. Like on some places, I think you saw it, you know, there like road was completely not clean, you know, and there were like the machines that we saw a moment ago down there. They are not cleaning the road. They are only cleaning in front of that building, because that building is the main water filter station for this city. So yeah, they are just cleaning that because they have to clean, you know, in front of that building. So we are waiting here for cars to pass, and you know, driving further. The guy in front of me is badass too. Like, he doesn't give that many fucks about snow and everything, you know. He have a good car, just like me. So yeah, coming back to you in a second.
I've been seeing farther in dark skies. Bringing me so violent, not for time. Following my heart, can't deny. So you now I lay my
So I have like a few more minutes of driving on this road. Then I will take the right exit to the road on my village. So, and I will drive my car to the some point, and then I will leave it alongside the road where I can. That will also be a interesting thing to see and to do. And then I will continue my journey on the foot, because I have a really, let's say, like uphill walk, you know. So yeah, that will be interesting, because last night when I was there, snow was freaking deep, but we left some, you know, food trucks, and it will be easier now. So yeah, you already saw, like on the road, you really need to be careful and everything, you know. There is like people just cleaning in front of their houses with tractors and machines and shovels, you know. They're using what they have. So yeah, I will show you now the hill where I will go on the foot. Right in front of me, like the steepest point there, that's where my home is. That hill. I mean, not on top of it, but I have to go over that hill, and on the other side of that hill is my home. So yeah, it will be interesting and fun walk, and I will also film it as much as I can. So I also bring my drone with me, so I will make a drone video. So, and it will be my first time flying my drone in winter. So yeah, I'll see you in a moment.
justify the love we lost, the love we had. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on.
So guys, that's it. I will leave my car here and continue my road on foot. The people you saw on that road down there, they are all my cousins, and they are all batshit crazy. So yeah, I will go on foot to say hi to them, and then I will continue to walk up on that hill. Yeah, let's go. Winter adventures. So, I am now, as you can see, on my foot, you know, walking and everything. I didn't want to film because earlier, because down the road there's a small village, and I don't want to film like around our local people because they are kind of weird and defensive towards people who are holding cameras and everything. But yeah, the scenery is freaking amazing. Take a look at this. This is pure magic. You can see small road. Yeah, last night I passed here and make this 1 foot corridor. So yeah, you can see village down there. Yeah, and okay, somehow mount my phone on the strap, and you will get a first-hand experience of me walking through this snow. So let's go.
Justify the love we lost, the love we had. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on.
So guys, you can see my highly sophisticated mounting system. Okay, I just want to show you something. So the time that took me to come from this road to this place here and to see this peak, about hour and a half. And yeah, like the view is just damn amazing. Okay, let's continue our walk. And yeah, I think I will end this video now. I'm not now, but soon I'll show you my house, and you know, from the far away. I don't want to film anything from up close. So yeah, let's continue walking. I have like 10-15 minutes of small walk, and that's it. So yeah, see you in a minute. So I am in front of my house. You'll see, like there is some smoke from the chimney. Like, look how deep snow is. This is crazy. My mom is inside. There is no electricity here. There is no like telephone signal here, like no internet, no anything. We are completely cut off, even though I have power line above my head, but we doesn't have here. There is no electricity for like last 4 days or something like that. So yeah, going to the house now to say hi to my mom and hopefully my cat. So yeah, see you in my next video.
break of dawn.